This is John with Cruising Addicts. We visited the forts of Nassau while on the city tour of Nassau Shore Excursion through Viator while sailing on a Bahamas cruise. Sit back, enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.
Scrolling through my screen, searching for a dream. Found a channel that's got me hooked on the scene. Cruising addicts taking me on a ride. From ship to ship, they're the experts, they're the guide. Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
Nassau, the capital of the Bahamas, is not only famous for its turquoise waters and white sandy beaches, but also for its rich history encapsulated within its historic forts. These forts, mostly built in the 18th century, were primarily constructed to protect the island from pirates and invaders. Visiting these sites offers a unique glimpse into the colonial history and military architecture of the era. Here's a closer look at some of the key forts in Nassau. Built in 1793, Fort Fincastle overlooks the city of Nassau from Bennett's Hill. Shaped like a paddle wheel steamer, its design was intended to maximize the field of fire from its cannons. The fort was constructed under the governorship of Lord Dunmore, who named it after his second title, Viscount Fincastle. Originally intended to protect Nassau from pirate attacks, it was equipped with cannons that could fire shots up to 1 mile, a significant deterrent at the time. Today, visitors can explore the small fort, witness the original cannons, and enjoy panoramic views of the island from its terraces. Fort Charlotte, the largest fort in Nassau, spans over 100 acres. Built in 1789 by Lord Dunmore, this fort was named in honor of the wife of King George III. Unlike Fort Fincastle, Fort Charlotte was never actually used in battle. It features a moat, dungeons, and 42 cannons, which have never been fired in anger. The fort's design includes complex tunnels and underground passageways, some of which are open for tours. The fort also hosts reenactments and other events that bring its history to life, making it a vibrant heritage site for visitors. Located on the eastern shore of Nassau, Fort Montague is the oldest fort on the island, constructed in 1741 by British colonial governor John Tinker. It was initially built to defend against Spanish invasions and played a significant role in the history of the Bahamas. In 1776, it was the site of the first naval engagement of the American Revolution in the Bahamas, where American Marines captured the fort to secure gunpowder supplies. Although smaller than the other forts, Montague's remnants still offer a historical insight into Nassau's past defenses. The forts of Nassau were not only military installations, but also symbols of power and control. They safeguarded the Bahamian people from threats and played crucial roles at different points in history, from repelling invasions to witnessing significant historical events. Today, these forts are not only a testament to Nassau's strategic importance in the Atlantic, but also serve as a prime tourist attraction that offers educational tours and breathtaking views. Visiting these historic forts provides a deeper understanding of Nassau's role in Caribbean and American history. Each fort represents a unique story and architectural style, offering a vivid picture of the past. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or someone looking for a unique adventure, the historic forts of Nassau are a must-visit to truly appreciate the heritage and beauty of the Bahamas. If you would like to visit the forts of Nassau, book the city tour of Nassau Shore Excursion. We've included a link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up button liking this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content and check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!